ओम स्थानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय। स्थूल शरीर is anatma, for which all the yuktis are given. Once sthula sharira anatmatva is understood, then aham brahmasmi vichara can be strengthened. So for that purpose, this sthula sharira anatmatva is explained through yukti, logical reasoning. In 16th and 17th shloka it was said, when varchaska, the mala from sharira, is parityakta and doshas are seen in that, then if somebody else shows dosha in them, so ucharituhu kim bhavet. So then the one who has rejected that varchaska, he is not going to have any objection. Exactly in the same way, sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, vivekatah tyakte, through viveka when they are given up, means there is no other way to give it up. Through jnanam, I have to understand that in me, the atma, sthula, sukshma sharira are not. So viveka will give me clear understanding. Vairagya will make sure that I don't identify with what I am not. I have already understood what I am not, and still I go on identifying with it, then that viveka is of no use. So viveka has to be thoroughly substantiated by vairagya. So viveka separates sthula sharira from atma, sukshma sharira from atma, and vairagya keeps it there away. And therefore lot of atma chintanam is needed. Otherwise this jnanam does not remain. So if somebody points out dosha in such sthula sukshma sharira, which through viveka I have understood they are not me, then a viveki jnani will not have any objection to such defects in sthula sukshma sharira. He will agree with it. Further, in Tika, page number 66, वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति प्रतिबंधकत्वादपि देहद्वये अहंकार ममकार लक्षणों भेदाभिमानो विवेकिभिः परिहरणीय इति श्रोतॄणां यत्न गौरव साधनाय आह. वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति प्रतिबंधकत्वात्, the two sharira, sthula sukshma sharira, In them, ahankara, mamakara, buddhi is responsible for vakyartha, pratipatti, pratibandha. Mahavakya I am not getting. Why? Because in Sthula Sukshma Sharira, I have aham mama buddhi. So, ahankara mamakar lakshano bhedabhimana viveki bihi parivaraniya. So, by viveki, this bheda abhimana should be eliminated. Pariharaniya. Abhimana परिहरणीय इति श्रोतॄणां यत्न गौरव साधनाय. So those who are doing shravanam, श्रोतॄणां, how the rikarak becomes dirgha? श्रोतॄणां
नामी
नामी सूत्र. श्रोतॄणां यत्न गौरव साधनाय आह. So those who are doing the shravanam, yatna gaurava sadhanaya means lot of effort needs to be put there. It will not happen easily. मूलम एतावत् एव हि अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति वाक्यार्थ अप्रतिपत्तौ उत बुद्ध्यादौ देहान्ते हि अहम मम इति निस्सन्धि बन्धनो ग्रहः. एतावदेव हि अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति वाक्यार्थ अप्रतिपत्तौ कारणम्. In वाक्यार्थ अप्रतिपत्ति अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ज्ञान, non-cognition, non-understanding, the karanam is this only. In sthula sukshma sharira, aham buddhi is very strong. Yad uta buddhyadau dehante, starting from buddhi all the way up to deha, hi aham mama iti graha. Graha means this sense of oneness. Actually, graha means capturing it. Graha also means jnana. What kind of jnanam is this? Nissandhi bandhana graha. Doubtless identity. Sandhi means a join, not. Nissandhi means there is no joint. It's a seamless bondage. Nissandhi bandha. There is another reading also, Nissandigdha bandha. Sandeh rahita, doubtless bondage. That way also it is there. Means we have never doubted whether I am Sthula Sharira or not, whether it is mine or not, whether I am Sukshma Sharira or it is mine. There is never a doubt. According to the teaching, Atma and Sthula Sukshma Sharira, there is no sparsha only. It is asparsha yoga. There is never touch. Means sambandha, if there is sambandha, then aham mama idea can come. Where there is complete tadatmya, aham buddhi will come. Where there is slightly less tadatmya, mama buddhi will come. There is no sambandha possible. Atma is asanga, abhikari. And still, Nissandhi bandhanaha graha is there. Tad vyatireke hi na kutashchit vibhajyate. Ekala eva आत्मनि अवतिष्ठत. व्यतिरेक of स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीर व्यतिरेके ही न कुतश्चित विभज्यते. So then when the vyatireka is done, then in any way न vibhajyate, he is not separated from it. एकल एव प्रत्यगात्मनि अवतिष्ठते. Ekala means alone. एकल एव प्रत्यगात्मनि अवतिष्ठते. Kala means parts. Ekala means without parts. So Atma alone shall remain. टीका. निस्संधि बंधन इति बाधक प्रत्यय शून्य इत्यर्थ. निस्संधि बंधन means there is no बाधक प्रत्यय. बाधक प्रत्यय will either stop identification with स्थूल सूक्ष्म शरीर, or बाधक प्रत्यय will at least create a doubt. Here there is no such thing. So that's why as soon as we wake up, we assume that I am this body. We assume that this mind or this ahankara means sukshma sharira is me or mine, and I am functional. Not even mine, that is also me. And I start functioning. So while I am in bed, once I wake up, and if I take like fraction of a minute just to understand this Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti Avastha, they don't belong to Atma. They belong to Sukshma Sharira. Then immediately that Viveka will happen. And in this discussion, we have Shruti Pramana also, that in Shushupti, I leave Sthula Sharira, I leave Sukshma Sharira, and still I am there. So that means whatever I can do Vyatireka of, that is not me. That is given. Vivekasya punaha phalam aha tad Vyatireke. So in the absence of Sthula Sukshma Sharira, na kutaschit vibhajyate. So then there is no vibhaga. Vibhaga means I as Atma, I as Sthula Sharira, I as Sukshma Sharira, this kind of vibhaga is not there. There is only I, Atma, Pratyagatma, and everything else is not me. Ripau bandhau swadehe cha samaikatmyam prapashyatah vivekinah kutah kopah swadehavayaveshviva. रिपौ बन्धौ स्वदेहे च समैकात्म्यं प्रपश्यतः विवेकिनः कुतः कोपः स्वदेहावयवेष्विव. रिपौ बन्धौ स्वदेहे च सम ऐकात्म्यं प्रपश्यतः विवेकिनः स्वदेह अवयवेषु इव कुतः कोपः. स्वदेहावयवेष्विव और स्वदेहावयवेष्विह. Another पाठांतर is also there. In the body of enemy, Ripu means Shatru. Ripau Bandhau, Mitra Sharira. Swadehe, one's own body. Sama Aikatmyam Prapashyata, the one who sees oneness evenly. Vivekinaha Kutaha Kopaha. For such Viveki, how can he get angry at others' body? Just as I don't get angry at my own body. Swadeha avayaveshu iva kutaha kopaha. So I don't criticize my own sharira, sthula or sukshma. In the same way, I should not criticize enemy sharira or anybody else's sharira. So now what is the objective? Earlier you were trying to do viveka between Atma and Sthula Sukshma Sharira. Now suddenly what does this mean? What this means is, from the standpoint of Atma, as much as my Sharira is Anatma, other Shariras are also Anatma. If I have oneness with my Sharira, then I should have oneness with all Shariras. That is the idea. So somebody said, yes, that is what I do. I identify with all my people. All my people is again problem. So the objective is not that you identify with some. Objective is you look at all Shariras equally as Anatma, whether it is Mitra Deha, Bandhu Deha, Shatru Deha or Swadeha. Shatrudehe, Mitradehe, Swadehe cha Nirvishesha Aikatmya Anusandadhanasya. There is one Atma in all Sharira. From that standpoint, all the Shariras are Anatma. This Anusandhanam I should do. Idanim दृश्यत्वात् आगमापायित्वाच्च देहस्य अनात्मत्वम् इत्याह. Now he gives another yukti. This is the most commonly used yukti. But you should remember, he goes on giving Shruti also directly or indirectly. Chandogya Shruti 6th chapter he quoted to show Sthula Sukshma Sharira are Anna Karya. Then the Viveka in Jagrat Swapna Shushupti, next also he is going to mention that if I give them up in Sushupti, that means they are not me. Their Vyatireka is there. Whoever's Vyatireka can happen. Means without that I am existing. So that is not me. Now he gives Yukti. Yadrishyam tad anatma. Itascha anatma dehadihi. For this reason also dehadi are anatma. घटादिवच्च दृश्यत्वात् तैरेव करणैर्दृशेः स्वप्ने चानन्वयाज्ञेयो देहो नात्मेति सूरिभिः। घटादिवच्च दृश्यत्वात् तैरेव करणैर्दृशेः स्वप्ने चानन्वयाज्ञेयो देहो नात्मेति सूरिभिः। घटादिवच्च दृश्यत्वात् तैः एव दृशेः करणैः, तैः करणैः एव दृशेः स्वप्ने च अनन्वयात् देहस्य, देहो अनात्मा ज्ञेयः सूरिभिः। सूरिभिः घटादिवच्च दृश्यत्वात् तैः एव करणैः दृशेः, दृशेः करणैः दृश्यन्ते, और दृश्यत्वात् you can put one. And second, देहस्य स्वप्ने अनन्वयात् देहो अनात्मा इति सूरिभिः ज्ञेयः। तो देह is अनात्मा। टीका। So anumanam, how you will do? Deho anatma drishyatvad. Second is deho anatma
Karanatvat.
agamapaitvad is given in tika. Ananvayat. Agamapai is given in the tika. Agamapaitva and drishyatva, both hetus are given in Vaitatya Prakarana. In Vaitatya Prakarana, Agamapaitvam is Adavante Chayan Nasti Vartamanepi Tattva. That is Agamapai. And Drishyatvam, Bhashyakara has given in 5th Tarika. In the Bhash. And Drishyatva is actually for all. Deha, Indriya, Mana, Buddhi, Prana, whatever is there, Drishyatva. Something interesting to dwell on. See, Atma and Ahankara. Atma and Ahankara, their Tadatmya is there. Now, I want to separate the two. I want to know what part is Atma, what part is Ahankara. So this Viveka is actually simplest. Whatever becomes known is all Ahankara or is all Anatma. What does not become known is Atma. So let us say I am sitting quietly with eyes closed, and anything of I that comes to my mind, after removing Sthula Sharira, that is definite Anatma. Even at this Sukshma level, whatever is recognized as I, but it becomes known. Some vritti, some expression, some vasana, whatever. All of that is Ahankara. All of that is known. Drishyatvat. So anything that becomes known is anatta. So if I pay attention, then everything is anatma only, because atma will never become known. Atma is the illuminator. Where do we end up making mistake is in what is known, we say some part is me and some part is not me. That is not Vivek. Whatever gets known is all to be rejected. And then you will see there is actual peace. Because what is known is definite anatma. Drishyatvat means this. And agama paitva means what was not there from Adikala, Pura, the beginningless time, from that time, what is not there with me is not me. So, Sthula Sharira is definitely not me because it came only few years back. Few means some 50 plus years back. Sukshma Sharira, with the beginning of this cycle of Srishti. So that is also not me. Vasanas, they are also Agama Pai. They will come and go. So the only thing which is constantly present is the Chaitanya aspect, Sat aspect, Ananda aspect. Only that. Everything else is Agama Pai. So then even Shubha Vasana, Ashubha Vasana, this segregation is not needed. Everything is Anatma. It is like good dirt and bad dirt. It is dirt. Yaihi karanair ghatadayo drishyante. Taihi eva karanair drishehe drashtuhu atmano dehasya drishyatvat. By those instruments, ghatadi are recognized. So through eyes, ears, etc. Ghata means rupa. Ghata, when we say ghata is recognized, means ghata rupa. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha, they get recognized. By the same instrument, deha is also recognized. Taihi eva karnaihi drishehe drashtuhu atmano dehasya drishyatvat. Deha is also drishya. Swapne cha vyagradi sharirena vyavaharato. And in swapna, vyagradi sharirena, by the vyagra sharira, vyavaharto jagrati drishte dehe aham iti abhimana abhavena asya ananvayacha anatmatvam veditavyam ityartha. In swapna, I myself become vyagra. Vyagradi sharirena vyavaharato. I do vyavahar as vyagra sharira or other sharira. Jagrati drishte dehe. Purva line did I complete? Drishehe drashtuhu atmano dehasya drishyatva. Drishi means atma. So drishehe drashtuhu atmano means whoever is the drashta, his deha is also drishya, just like ghatadis are drishya. And ghatadi become drishya by chakshuradi indriya. This is same indriya, same karana will make the sthula sharira also drishya. And ananvaya is vyagradi sharira is available in swapna. Vyagradi sharirena vyavahara. Jagrati drishte देहे अहम इति अभिमान अभावे. In Jagrat, this deha which is drishta, drishte dehe aham abhimana abhavena asya ananvayat. So in Jagrat, when I see Jagrati drishte dehe means Jagrati drishte vyagradi sharire. In waking, if I see vyagra sharira, aham abhimana is not there. In swapna, vyagra sharira, aham abhimana can be there, or swapna deha is different. Jagrat deha is different. इति अभिमान अभावेन अस्य अनन्वयात् च अनात्मत्वं वेदितव्यम्. Therefore it is anatma. So someone may think that, this is such a simple thing, why so much explanation? All this explanation is only because this dehe aham buddhi is so rude, it doesn't go away. In sadhana panchakam it is given dehe hammati rujyatam udajanair vadah parityajyatam. वक्ष्यमाण विवेक फले श्रद्धा जननाय मिथ्या ज्ञान विवेक ज्ञानयोर अनुभव सिद्ध फलभेद इति दर्शयति. This viveka phala he is going to give now. Vakshamana viveka phale shraddha jananaya, to create shraddha that this discussion is fruitful, it is useful, and it is correct. This kind of shraddha I should have. For that is the next shloka. मिथ्या ज्ञान विवेक ज्ञानयोः अनुभव सिद्ध फल भेद. Between mithya jnana and viveka jnana, erroneous knowledge is dehe atma buddhi, viveka jnana is dehe anatma buddhi. So mithya jnana viveka jnanayoः anubhava siddha phala bheda. He shows the anubhava siddha phala bheda in mithya jnana, in dehe atma buddhi, and viveka jnana, dehe anatma buddhi. देहादि कार्य मूलम, देहादि कार्य करण संघात व्यतिरेक अव्यतिरेक दर्शिनः प्रत्यक्षत एव विरुद्धम, different from it. अव्यतिरेक, not different from. व्यतिरेक अव्यतिरेक दर्शिनः प्रत्यक्षत एव विरुद्धं कार्यम् उपलभ्यते. प्रत्यक्षतः विरुद्धं कार्यम् means in dehadi karyakarana sanghata, the one who has atma buddhi, is he vyatireki, or does he have vyatireka darshan or avyatireka darshan?
Avyatireka.
Avyatireka darshan. For that person, thinking is different. Person who has vyatireka darshan, means the one who thinks dehadi karyakarana sanghata is different from atma, different from me, he will have different understanding. This is pratyakshataha eva viruddham karyam upalabhyate. Karyam of these two is pratyakshataha viruddham. What is the bheda? It's a unique kind of shloka. or Mahatmas quote this shloka, Chaturbhiruhyate yat tat सर्वशक्त्या शरीरकम तूलायते तदेवाहं धिया घ्रातमचेतसाम् चतुर्भिरुह्यते यत्तत् सर्वशक्त्या शरीरकम तूलायते तदेवाहं धिया घ्रातमचेतसाम् यत् शरीरकम तत् चतुर्भिः सर्वशक्त्या ऊह्यते तदेव अहं धिया आघ्रातम अचेतसाम तूलायते. दिस इज द अन्वय. यत् शरीरकम, शरीरकम, so the kap pratyay there is for kutsitarthe, nindarthe. Yat sharirакам, in there where a person has understood sharira is nindita vastu, is not me, is malabhanda. And Vivek Chudamani, he said is malabhanda. Mala sharira tat सर्वशक्त्या चतुर्भिः ऊह्यते. चतुर्भिः पुरुषैः, by 4 people it is carried. By 4 people it is carried means, you know, when 4 people carry the sharira, that is what it is. So when does that happen? When in the sharira aham bhava is gone. Aham bhava in the sharira is not there. So at that time 4 people are needed to carry this. And when aham bhava is there, then that same sharira tulayate. Tula means like a small piece of cotton, is very light. Tad eva aham dhiya aghratam achetasam. Achetasam, by those people who are buddhihina, by them aham dhiya aghratam. It is carried by the aham buddhi. 4 people are not needed. Only aham buddhi is going to carry that. In aghratam, gra is the dhatu. In nishtha pratyaya, then it can become ghrata or it can become ghrana. There is a sutra, nuda vidonda tra ghra hri yaha anyatarasyam. Nuda vidonda tra ghra hri yaha anyatarasyam. So these dhatus, nuda vida unda tra ghra hri, in them when nishtha pratyaya takara comes, then vikalpena there is nakara also. So like nuda dhatu, nunnaha nuttaha, vida dhatu vinnaha vittaha, unda dhatu samunnaha samuttaha. Tra is famous, tranaha and trataha both. Similarly ghrataha and ghrana. And hri also, hrinaha hritaha. Aghratam achetasam. So what is the objective here? He says, aham buddhi, when I have in this body, then body is thought of as Atma, therefore there is lightness. Because I don't feel that I am carrying burden of myself. But you imagine if you have to walk even small distance with a simple umbrella in your hand, you start feeling it is burden. That umbrella might be half a kilo maximum. And you are carrying your body which is 80 kilo. But you never think I am carrying 80 kilo. But we always feel I am carrying half kilo. And when will I leave this? This is the idea he wants to show. Because when I have aham buddhi in something, I don't see it as other. Those other four people who are going to carry this body, let us say, they themselves have their own body, right? They all are also 75, 80 kilos, let us say. They don't think I am carrying my burden. But that one which they are carrying on the shoulder, after a few minutes, they'll say, give it to somebody else now. Or they may carry it also, but they feel the burden of that. Why? Because there is no aham buddhi in that sharira. But in this sharira, aham buddhi there. So this is light. And this is the general meaning. This is true for everybody. For Jivan Mukta Jnanis, like this Shankaracharyaji's, they take out the yatra on palanquin. So they also don't have aham buddhi in that. So they are light. And four people, they are required to carry that. This meaning you can apply there because these acharyas in parampara, like particular Sringeri Matha, they carry the Mahatma. Here also we do Bhagavan Bhashakar's Murti on palanquin. Tika. Swadeha paradeho va vahane sthapayitva chaturviruhyo bhavati. Chaturvihi uhyo bhavati. One's own body or somebody else's body. Vahane sthapayitva. Vahana means palanquin or procession. Final Ram Nam procession. Sa eva Ram Nam Satya hai, that one. Sa eva avidusham aham buddhi parigrahitas tulayate. For Ajnani, because of aham buddhi in deha tulayate. Tulavad acharati iti. Tulayate means it acts as if it is a soft piece of cotton. Pratyaksham eva viruddham karya. So this is pratyaksha viruddha karya. This is one meaning. Yadva or स्वभावतः सुषुप्तादावशक्यो उद्वाहो जागरिते अहंधि मात्रेण सुखोद्वाहिताम आपद्यमानः शिबिकादिवत् स्व उद्वाहकम् अहंकर्तारम् अवगमयति इति दर्शयति देहादि इत्यादिना. स्वभावतः सुषुप्तादौ अशक्यो उद्वाह अशक्य उद्वाहो. Jagarit in Sushupti, I don't carry my Sharira. Means I don't have Aham Abhimana in Deha. In Jagrat, I have Aham Abhimana in Deha. So, Ahandi Matrena Sukha Udvahitam Apadyamana. I carry my body with Aham Buddhi in Jagrat. In Sushupti, it is heavy, it is lying there. That's why they also say, somebody who is sleeping, to carry that person requires lot of weight, more effort. Sukha udvahitam apadyamana. Shibika divat. Shibika means a palanquin. Palki. Shibika divat. Swa udvahakam ahankartaram avagamayati iti darshayati dehadi ityadina. Shibika divat swa udvahakam ahankartaram. Ahankartaram, who carries this. Like carrying the palanquin, he carries himself, aham buddhi carries. Yadva, or another interpretation. Ekameva shariram aham buddhi rahitam ati gauravan mahata kleshena niyate. One sharira which is devoid of aham buddhi. Ati gauravan, because it is very heavy, mahata kleshena niyate. With great effort it is carried. Tadeva aham buddhi grahitam atyanta lagavat. When aham buddhi is there, it is so light. Tulavad acharati. Iti evam, it is like a piece of cotton. Viruddha karya darshanat. Anatma eva ayam deha. Ityaha. So therefore this deha is anatma because of the viruddha karya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyoma Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.